A company called 12 South knows the plight of the messy bag owner. Today, he launched a new product called AirSnap, which is a small leather holder for his AirPods case. The idea is that you can attach it to your bag and not have to scramble your things to find your headphones. It is available in black, teal or brown. The company says that each will develop a unique patina over time, making each one personal. Expect to see some wear over time. It must be a pain to lose your AirPods in your bag. I do not own the headphones, but I keep a super messy bag and lose my belongings inside of it all the time. It is not a great experience. However, you may not be like me, and want order in your life. If so, opt for the AirPods backpack clip. You will never lose them again unless the clip is broken or someone rips them out of your bag. But probably never again.